head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about my 1978 Corolla. I bought this car September 2023. It's in a quite crappy condition when I bought it. Previous owner swapped the engine to 4K engine already. Quite glad he did that. 5-speed manual and also installed the air conditioner. As you can see, this is how she looks when I bought her. I bought this car because I love retro car. They looks like American muscle car, but smaller. Sleek look, small body. I started fall in love with this car when my dad bought his KE35 back in the 90s. For now, I got her new sets of wheels, replaced the old suspension, ball joint and rack end, and retuned the ignition timer. As for now, she is my daily driven car to work. My plan for this car is I'm trying to DIY repair the rust damage. To be honest, I don't have any experiences in body work nor welding before. Currently, I'm waiting for my other car to be done. Then I'm going to start my long car project. As you can see, there are a lot of rusty metal that need to treat and replace. Restoration costs for this type of car are very expensive here in Borneo. That's why I intend to DIY this car, I hope. My biggest hope for this car is that I can learn bodywork and welding. Experience, of course. Still a long way to go from this point. I will keep updating about this project from time to time. It would help a lot if you guys subscribe to the channel, like or dislike the video. Any comments are most certainly welcome. Thanks for watching.